A lot of companies bundle their sales when selling to a customer. A typical one might be you've got your hardware or your license, and it includes the first year's support. So those might be sold as a single item on an invoice or a contract, for whatever reason, that's how it was sold to the customer. So we want to bundle that in as a single item and not split them out as separate values on a contract or an invoice. However, these items have multiple performance obligations on them. So it's a bundle of performance obligations. In this case, we need to unbundle that item that was on the contract or invoice into each performance obligation. So in TentSoft, we have bundles, which you define the items that are included in a bundle, either based on the quantity. It could be one or many for each item that are included in the bundle. And as part of the transformation process, when the revenue agreement is created in TentSoft, it will unbundle. In this case, we've got a fast start bundle that has subscription, hardware, support, and services. We will unbundle the value and allocate it to 4 lines on the revenue agreement based on each item's estimated selling price. So it's very similar to the fair value allocation, except in this case, we've got one item or one bundle that's coming over on the invoice, and we're unbundling it to specific items based on the relative selling price. And then so you can kind of think of it from a fair value allocation standpoint. It's a similar process. At the end of the day, you're going to end up with, in this case, 4 lines on the revenue agreement, and then each line will be amortized based on the settings for that item. So subscription might be over a year, hardware might be on day 1, support may be over based on usage, services might be a % complete based on when those services are delivered.